Hello students, we are doing lesson number 5, Operations on Rational Numbers. You are now in the Standard 7 Mathematics class. Today let's see how to find the numbers between two rational numbers. Now if I ask you to write all the natural numbers between 2 and 9, you will be able to write. The numbers are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the natural numbers between 2 and 9. If I ask you to write the integers between -4 and 5, this also you will be able to write. The numbers are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. But if I ask you to write the rational numbers between 1/2 and 4/7, it will be a difficult task. Let us see how to find the numbers between 1/2 and 4/7. To do that, first we have to convert these numbers into fractions with equal denominators. So 1/2 we multiply by 7. So we get 1/2 is equal to 7/14. And 4/7 is multiplied by 2. So you get the number as 8/14. Now here 14 is the common denominator. And 7 and 8 are consecutive numbers. Does this mean that 7/14 and 8/14 are consecutive numbers? No. 7/14 and 8/14 are not consecutive rational numbers. So let us find the numbers that lie between 7/14 and 8/14. The denominator of any number can be increased. Then the numerator also increases the same number of times. So let us multiply 7/14 by 10. So you get 7/14 is equal to 70/140. And let us multiply 8/14 also by 10. So you get 80/140. Now the denominators are same, and 70 and 80 are not consecutive numbers. You can think of many numbers between 70 and 80. So, in other words, you will get numbers between 7/14 and 8/14. So, you see that between 70/140 and 80/140, you can write numbers like 71/140, 72/140, 73/140, etc. So, you get many numbers between 70/140 and 80/140. Now if you multiply 7/14 by 100, you will get 700/1400. And if you multiply 8/14 by 100, you will get 800/1400. So you see that between 700 and 800, you can think of many numbers, and each of them will be between 7/14 and 8/14. Thus, when rational numbers are converted into equivalent fractions with increasingly bigger denominators, more and more rational numbers which lie between them can be expressed. Now let's see another method to find rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Now you know that you can mark rational numbers on the number line. So by finding the midpoint of the segment joining the 2 points, we can find a number between the two given points. Let's do this using an example. The question is, find the rational numbers between 1/2 and 3/5. So first let us convert them into like fractions. Means fractions with same denominator. So 1/2 is converted as 5/10 and 3/5 is converted as 6/10. Now we want to find the midpoint of the segment joining 5/10 and 6/10. How will you do that? It is half of the sum of the two numbers. That is half of 5/10 plus 6/10. That will give you half of 11/10. That's equal to 11/20. Now 11/20 is a number that lies exactly in the middle of 5/10 and 6/10. That means 11 upon 20 is a number that lies between 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 5. Now similarly, we can find numbers that lie between 1 upon 2 and 11 upon 20. By finding the midpoint of 1 upon 2 and 11 upon 20, you will get the number between 1 by 2 and 11 upon 20, and also a number between 11 upon 20 and 3 upon 5. Thus, we see that there are innumerable rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Now this is a lengthy method if we want to find more numbers. So we will be solving the sums in the exercise using the first method. Now let's take practice set 22. The question is, write 3 rational numbers between the two given numbers. The first question is 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. Now 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7 are like fractions. That means they have the same denominators. And you can see that between the integers 2 and 6 there are numbers 3, 4 and 5. So you can see that these rational numbers 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7 and 5 upon 7 are between the numbers 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7. So what will be your answer? What are the numbers between 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7? The answer is 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. The second question is 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. We want to find 3 rational numbers between the two given numbers. Here in this case the denominators are different. So our first step is to make the denominators equal. So we get 4 by 5 is equal to 12 upon 15 and 2 by 3 is equal to 10 upon 15. Now the denominators are same. The numerators are 12 and 10. Between 10 and 12 there is only one integer, that is 11. But we need 3 rational numbers. So we will again convert 12 by 15 and 10 by 15 into equivalent fractions by multiplying it by 10. So 12 by 15 becomes 120 by 150 and 10 upon 15 becomes 100 upon 150. Now the denominators are 150 and the numerators are 120 and 100. You can think of many numbers between 100 and 120. So all those numbers will be between 120 upon 150 and 100 upon 150. In other words, those numbers will be between 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. So as answer you can write any numbers between 100 upon 150 and 120 upon 150. So we can write 101 upon 150 or 102 upon 150. These 3 numbers will be between 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. Now let's try question number 6. The question is 7 upon 8 and minus 5 upon 3. So let's equalize the denominators first. So we get 7 upon 8 is equal to 21 upon 24 and minus 5 upon 3 is equal to minus 40 upon 24. So if we take integers between minus 40 and 21 and take the denominator as 24, all those numbers will be between 7 upon 8 and minus 5 upon 3. Take any integer between minus 40 and 21 and take the denominator as 24. So those numbers will be between minus 40 upon 24 and 21 upon 24. In other words, they will be between 7 upon 8 and minus 5 upon 3. So minus 7 upon 24, 11 upon 24 and minus 1 upon 24 will be between the two given numbers. You can take any number between -40 and 21. There are a few more questions in the exercise. Please complete those sums in your notebook. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.